This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the dock ready. Plug it in first so charging circuitry initializes. Make sure the power source is 5V/2A or the manufacturer rating because lower current slows or prevents charging. Once powered, position the dock on a flat, stable surface to avoid dislodging controllers while they connect. Also confirm your dock model matches Ps4 dual shock controllers. Mismatched pins can prevent contact. Now, inspect the dock ports for dust or debris. Cleaning improves contact and reduces intermittent charging. You now attach the controller. Align its micro USB port with the dock pins and slide it straight in because angled insertion can bend contacts. Make a gentle, steady motion until you feel the connector seat. Do not force it. Once connected, watch the controller LED. A pulsing or solid amber typically means charging, while blue usually means fully charged. If LEDs don't appear, reseat the controller and verify the dock's power light. Repeated failed connections suggest a dirty port or worn cable. You finish by letting controllers charge for about 2 to 3 hours, which restores most play time, longer if battery was fully depleted. When removing a controller, pull it straight out. Twisting stresses connectors and may loosen dock pins over time. Make sure to power down the dock only after controllers are removed. If charging fails, try a different USB cable, swap the dock to another powered port, or test with a different controller to isolate whether the dock, cable, or controller battery is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.